Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your gamer pick on your Xbox Series X profile. This is very easy to do. So let's go to settings right here. Go to general and go to personalization. Then go to profile and go to customize my profile. It'll bring you to this page. Otherwise, you can access it through the guide menu. But let's go on over to change gamer pick right here. Then you can choose a default gamer pick to whatever you want. Otherwise, you do have the option to upload a custom image right here. Otherwise, you can take a picture of my avatar. I think this is an avatar picture, and this one is a custom image. So we can go to upload a custom image, and if you have something saved on your Xbox, you can select it. Otherwise, you can go to a USB drive you have connected, and then you can select that, and then you can go in and out, and then you can go ahead and upload the image. And then you can use that as your background image or your gamer pick right here. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.